horizon.
How deep do you think this water is? 4 feet?
It's looking about like 3 here. Over there where they're at, it's a little deeper probably. But yeah, we lost 2 wreckers today. One B class, which is in between a 18-wheeler size and a flatbed.
Wow.
Lost 2 of them today. Before they could get the cars that they were working on pulled out, they noticed the water was already up to their doors before they could get unhooked.
Yeah.
And all that, the truck washed away, flipped over, went into the creek, and the other one's sitting down there right now.
Wow.
Up to the light bar. I'll be quiet if you need to. Man, you know, I was telling you about those trucks we lost.
Right.
They were on, the water was this deep where the last guy was sitting. Within 1 hour that it took me to get there, the water was up over the roof. The guy had to be helicoptered off the top of the wrecker.
And where was that?
That was on Bluff Road. It'd be fun to bring a jet ski down there. That would be wild. It'll feel fantastic.
I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to look on CNN tonight and see this.
Good deal.